Right, I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up an automatic blog that produces and publishes content like the one you're seeing here right now with images. By the way, these are AI generated. None of this is stock or anything. AI did this. Images, internal links, in-article images, in-article videos, bullets, tables, more images, more links, more images down here. I mean, the niches are also endless. If I go here to grooming, there's here an article for Golden Retriever Dog Grooming 101 with an interactive table of contents. I mean, internal links, external links, in-article AI images, videos, again, that are relevant not just to the article itself, but to the section in which they're included in. So all this pretty cool, pretty relevant, more tables, more bullets, FAQ section, so all this, and links to your site, external sources, and all this. Then with AI. Now you can generate these manually, but you're here to learn how to automate the whole process. So essentially, instead of clicking here and posting to your integration, which, by the way, before I show you this, integrations can be anything you want. They can be your WordPress, Shopify site, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, even an external API. But you're here to learn how to take AI, in this case, generalist AI, and connect it with your website right here, right? And have it generate plus publish content every single hour, day, week, month to your site. This is your website, by the way, and have it publish blog posts, like I said, every single day or hour, right? And if we expand on one of these blog posts right here, right, all these blog posts will have a featured image, right, proper content structuring, right? Actually, before that, table of contents, content structuring, in-article images, in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about, right? Bullets, tables, quotes, internal links, so links that link out to other blog posts. So these will link out between each other, right? In a way that makes sense. Maybe link out to your site's testimonial page, your site's contact page, homepage, who knows, right? Depends on what the context is about. External links as well. So links linking out to external authoritative sources in your niche. That's very important for SEO. And down here, of course, a call to action to your product or service, right? So if, for example, if you have a Shopify store for gardening, and I'll show you an example after this, you produce a content about an article about gardening, a certain garden topic, you want to have call to action here, down here, for people to buy your products or services, right? Now, how do you set this up? Actually, before I do show you that, let me show you how this gardening articles look like, because I think it's one of the most visual ones, and I think that's really cool that I show you how they look like. So right here, this is, again, all this with AI, 7 tips for starting gardening as a newbie, key takeaways right here, the proper content structuring, right, H2s, H3s, bullet out important words, internal links, right, these link out to other pages on the site, videos, more images, and down here, an FAQ and a link to accessories that links out to these guys, Shopify store that they sell these gardening supplies, right? So pretty straightforward. Again, you can publish manually or set up the autoblog. So how do you set up an autoblog with this? First things first is you do not go here. By the way, first things first is you go to tryjournalist.com and sign up, go to your dashboard and go there. Second thing is you don't use these simple modes, because you can produce content with this, right? Just give it a URL, description, select how many articles you want, select the language and click generate, right? Or you just go here, paste in a bunch of titles, select the language and click generate, or do the same thing for keywords. But this is not automatic, right? You want to make sure this is automatic. And to make it so it is automatic, first you need to create a preset, right? And what a preset is, I'll show you here for the dog niche, right? You can create a new one. A preset essentially is something that gives you context to generate the articles with. So again, the simple mode was just the URL, keywords mode was just the keywords, titles mode was just the titles. This is all these steps, which I'll go over one by one, that allow you to give the AI context on what your business is about. And I'll start right here from the bottom. Number 7 is, with a flick of a switch right here enabled, you automatically can add videos to your article. So if we write the article for you, right, then we go on YouTube and find what's the best video or the most relevant video we can add and place here inside of your article, right? So by doing that, you just flick this on or off, and that's done. If you want to do it manually, you can do so. You can place in here your videos, and we'll add them manually like so. But we recommend you do it automatically. Images, that's the images that appear both in the featured image as well as the images that you saw inside of the article, right? These can be stock photos, Google license-free photos, even your own custom images, or you can leverage these 2 AI models to leverage and produce AI-generated images, right? And if you do use AI images, you can change the prompts around to make them look hyper-realistic, illustrative, Van Gogh style, right? You can change and play around with this, so it's super powerful. Now, these are the visual elements. These 2 are very, very important, the external and internal linking. So like I said, with just a flick of a button, you can automate external linking. So if we have the articles be produced about, actually in the finance niche, right, we'll have links scattered around the article, linking out to Investopedia, linking out to Wikipedia, maybe linking out to TechCrunch, right, maybe linking out to Bloomberg, right, all these authority sources in your niche. And by the way, if the content is not in English, right, if you're writing Spanish, Portuguese, whatever, French, all the links that we link out to, the language of these sources will be in the language that your article is written in, right? Now this is randomly placed. You can also add your own ones here if you like, right? Internal linking is quite straightforward. Just add in here your sitemap URL. And again, throughout the article, right, we'll have links linking out to your homepage, contacts page, other blog posts you've written to interlink all this between each other, which is quite powerful. Then the structure right here, this is where you can add your call to action, enable or disable certain sections like the key takeaways, the conclusion, the FAQ section, and you can also automate your headings. Or if you want to do it manually, you can just deselect this and write the ones you want here. You can also select the article size, right? Now we're almost done. In this tab, you can select your brand. And by the way, your brand, essentially, I'll go over this real quick here. You can connect your brand right here. Actually, you can't select one right here, but you need to create one first. To create one, you just click here. And essentially what this is, right, once you connect your brand, and your brand, right, your brand is made out of your website, right, your LinkedIn page, maybe some text documents, maybe even some audio documents. Oh, that's an A. Maybe your YouTube channel and more, right? All these are what we call brand assets. And what you're doing when you're connecting and choosing a brand here to connect it with Journalist AI, you're connecting your brand with Journalist AI. And so Journalist AI knows as much as you do, has as much context as you do, you being the founder or the owner of the brand. It knows as much as you do about the brand. So it's able to produce non-generic content. So the content is or has your brand's mannerisms, uses your brand's tone of voice, your brand's images. So the content is non-bland, non-generic. It's quite powerful. Here, content, you can just select the language, of course, you can select the levels of creativity, very creative, more correct or factual. You can change the tone of voice to funny, informal, academic, change the point of view, right? And even add some custom instructions. And the first one right here is you can change the generation mode as you want it. Then you save your preset, right? Like so. Then you go to autoblogs right here, right? Autoblogs, new autoblog, right? I'm just going to click this one right here, right? Name it whatever you want, right? Then connect with your preset, right? In this case, it's going to be my dog grooming preset, right? And then select your frequency, right? How many articles you want to produce every month, weekday, or every 12 or 6 hours, right? And select the article you want right here. So mostly people just do 5 every week. So every week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, an article is going to be posted, right? Select your integration, right? Your integration is what you set up here. It's your connection with your WordPress or Wix or Shopify store, right? Activate this, enable, and again, Journalist AI is going to be connected with your site. And in this case, every week is going to be publishing 5 articles to your blog. And again, all these articles will have what I showed you before, right? Featured images, structured images, videos, links, all this, right? On autopilot, right? On top of that, on top of Journalist AI generating plus publishing the content for you, that's a plus, right? It also does the indexing for you. That's a plus right here. So it also indexes the content for you, plus it does keyword research for you, right? So if you go here to indexers, right, just connect a new indexer right here, and every content that's posted is going to be automatically indexed in Google, right? We are able to index 90% of the content. Some of it's not possible, but it's quite high indexing rate. And keyword research, you just click here, add your site right here. I won't do it right now, but just give you this one as an example, sorry. Add your site name, URL, country, and language, and it will take all of this plus your competitor's info and come up with, or give you actually, keywords that have low SEO difficulty, that in theory are easy to rank for, and some decent search volumes. You can just select the ones you want and produce content around those. So yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward. Again, to sum it up, just go to tryjournalist.com, go to your dashboard, sign up. First step is go to your integrations, choose whatever site you want to connect with, right? Then go to presets, right? Create a new preset, right? New preset and select all these steps right here, right? Then go to autoblogs, new autoblog, right? Name it whatever you want. Select the preset you want, right? Select the quantity of you and the frequency as well. Select your integration and just enable and create the blog. And that's that. Pretty cool. That's exactly step by step how you can set up an automatic blog or an auto blogging site for any platform out there. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.